trying to get some nice, great shots. And there's also still going on across. So, and there's a lot of police cars. Sorry guys, there's a lot of police cars in case of anything happens. Fingers crossed, so far so good. And I'm sure there's a lot of police deployed on foot as well. As you can see, they're patrolling. Police are patrolling and it's quite busy. You can go all the way to South Pier. It's all rampant, it's all busy. Let me zoom in and show you. As you can see, all that, amazing, busy, very, very busy guys. Alright, it's all the way to Pier, all the way. So let's cross, and then we're gonna show you what's going on. Wow. Guys, before I start commenting saying I'm zooming up bombs or botties, no I'm not. It just came across with me. It just came along, it just crossed path. It's Blackpool. What a lovely day guys. What a lovely, lovely day. Like I said, you see the police rioters, the riot vans in there. There's about 2 vans packed or stationed around this end, so make sure everything is under control. So yeah, so you, and there's new concept as well, security new concept, making sure everyone is safe. These guys and these guys. Hey guys, how you doing, bro? You good? Hey, how you doing, man? Hey. That's new concept here, man. How you doing, my bro? You good, eh? How you doing? You good? Yeah, chilling. Yeah, man, you good? What you doing, man? You working hard, bro? You got a full Fanta there. Fuck off, don't be here then. Alright, guys, see you later. So, hello. Hi, you alright? Good. So, it's a lovely day, guys. So, let's go. Let's show you around. So it's amazing getting cheered up like that. I get a bit shy, you know, so but it's all good. Alright, so we're gonna take you to the Airshow in a minute and show you what's happening, what's going on. Yeah, this is it, the display. Wow. So the real thing haven't started yet. The Typhoon and the is it the Typhoon and the is it the RIF or the Air Force, something like that. You know, they're the best ones. They're the best ones. So yeah. Because we just be underneath the tower, guys. Alright, we safe to cross. Wow, look how packed it is. Look how packed it is, man. Can you imagine every summer you get this amount of people in Blackpool? Wow. Let's get a bit closer. That's the Royal Air Force Regular Reserve. That's their tent in here.